Mommy.
Open what?
It's
That. Do you want to wait until Daddy gets home and have Daddy put it together?
no.
Daddy's going to be home early tonight. He could put that together for you. Daddy's really good at putting things together. He put together this whole train track.
Can you open it?
Well, sweetie, Mommy's not good at putting stuff together. But I think you need to look at my phone and say thank you to somebody.
Thank you, Uncle Bill.
Look at my camera. Look at and say it. Look at the camera and say it again. Don't be silly.
Thank you, Uncle Bill.
You tell Uncle Bill where you went today?
I can't remember.
Did you go to the doctor?
Yeah.
What happened at the doctor?
And I poked.
You got poked.
Mhm.
But you're all better now, huh?
Mhm.